Hopefully, like in the middle.
That's Lewis closing some deals. This is a big one. Do anything necessary to close the deal, to get the contract. It's in the tri-state area. We're about to drive down there, or what's easier is hiring a mobile notary to go out to the property, get them to print out the contract, get the seller to sign the contract. Hey guys, you got to do whatever it takes.
I told you, I'm close. I'm gonna help you out. Mahomes will set you right. All right. Look.
Guys, put in the word.
Just got off a call, saw some Repour building. I know you couldn't hear the call, but he was in a good mood. He was laughing. He was happy. We've been trying to reach him all day. He just told me he had his phone off, right? So he's been busy. He's staying in the fire damaged house. So he's just been out running errands and doing different things. He just got back, gave me a call back, said he's still on board. We sent him an agreement via DocuSign, but with the fire and everything going on, he doesn't have access to his email. So he said, if you guys can let me sign in person, he'll be good to go. So we're gonna send out a mobile notary, send out a mobile notary to go meet him. He already gave us his avail. You gotta push through, man, to get it done. And if the mobile notary doesn't work out, we're gonna go drive there ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So stay tuned for this one. You know, after we get the signatures and everything like that, we'll do a deal breakdown, tell you guys what happened, everything in between, because this one's juicy. There's about 6 people on title, so we'll do a full deal breakdown, tell you guys about this one, and hopefully make some money. To the next one.
Peace.